Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we will learn how to create a loan repayment schedule in Excel. A loan repayment schedule gives you a detailed report on the interest to be paid at every point in the loan tenor and the principal to be paid every month if it's monthly. It also gives you the closing balances after each period. So we are going to create a table that shows us all these numbers. But before we do that, we need to first calculate the equal monthly payment on this loan. This amount is the addition of the principal and interest every month. It is equal, varying interest and principal as you go down. So to calculate the equal monthly payment on this loan, we are going to use Excel's PMT function. So PMT function requires a rate. We have our rate here given in years. In order to let this agree with a tenor which is given in months, I'm going to divide this by 12. MPAR or NPAR is the number of periods in this loan. This is given as 48. So I'll select 48. PV is the principal amount. These optional arguments, this is for future value payments. If you don't have, you put 0 here. And based on when you are making payments towards settling this loan, 0 is for payments at the end of the month or period, and then 1 is for payments at the beginning of the period. So this is my PMT function. In Excel financial functions, this is a cash outflow. So I'm going to negate this whole function, and this gives me 929.46 on these assumptions. Now we proceed to build a series of numbers from 1 to 48, representing the number of months here. You can easily type 1 here, hold Ctrl, and then drag this down. It's an easy way to create a series of numbers. It gives you a marker so you know where to release the mouse. So I have 48 installments. My opening balance is 25,000. My equal monthly payment, I have calculated that already. So I'll select C6, F4 to lock it so it doesn't shift downwards as I go. I copy it downwards. My interest is calculated for the first month, is calculated using the IPMT function. So IPMT calculates the interest due on a loan for a particular period. The rates similar to what we did earlier, this divided by 12. But because I'm going to copy this down, I will lock this reference before dividing by 12. My period here is period 1. This I will make relative so that it will change as I go down. My number of periods is stuck at 48, F4 to lock this. My PV is 25,000. I'll lock this as well. And then my future value is 0. And my type is 0. So I'm going to negate this. Now to make it easier, PPMT, which is the principal amount, has the same story. The only thing that changes here is the IPMT. So I'll enter this and then paste this formula, changing IPMT to PPMT, and then I'll negate this as well. So as I said earlier, the addition of these two will give you this every time. My closing balance is this principal, opening balance, minus the principal amount I paid down. So in the first month, my closing balance is this. In the second month, my opening balance is this closing balance. All these calculations are going to be the same. So I'm going to highlight these and then Ctrl D to copy down. Now at this point, I can highlight this range of cells and just double click to roll it down. So if you did this correctly, at the 48th installment, your loan should be done. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. More of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity, All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.